Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. In this lecture, we will discuss about heterotrophic nutrition. As we have previously discussed about autotrophic nutrition and nutrition in organism. Nutrition in organism is divided into two parts: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. And heterotrophic nutrition further divided into three parts, that is saprophytes or saprophytic type of nutrition, parasitic type of nutrition, and holozoic type of nutrition. Another one, that is mixotrophic type of nutrition. Let's discuss what is heterotrophic nutrition. Generally, all the organisms other than green plants are included in heterotrophic organism. Why? Because they are obtaining their food directly or indirectly from green plants. Clear? How we can define? All animals and other organisms which are unable to manufacture their own food and they are directly or indirectly depend on plants for their source of energy or nutrition. These organisms are called as heterotrophs. Clear? And this mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic nutrition. Clear? Now, type of heterotrophic nutrition. First one, that is saprophytic mode of nutrition. In this, living organisms obtain their nutrition from dead and decaying materials or substances. Those organisms which obtain their nutrition from dead and decaying material are called as saprophytes. Clear? And this mode of nutrition is called as saprophytic nutrition. Clear? Most of the fungi like bread mold, agaricus, morchella, they obtain their food through this mode. Clear? Now next one, that is parasitic mode of nutrition. All those organisms which obtain their nutrition or nourishment from living host. Listen carefully. All those organisms which obtain their nourishment or nutrition from living host, they are called as parasites. Clear? and this mode of nutrition is called as parasitic mode of nutrition. Actually, parasites are divided into two parts, that is ectoparasite and endoparasites. Those parasites which are found on body or outside the body, they are called as ectoparasites. Example: leech, bedbug, lice which are found in hair, mosquito, etc. They are ectoparasite. While endoparasites are found inside the body of living organism. Example: viruses, bacteria, some protozoans, roundworms, hookworms are endoparasites. Maybe you heard ascaris, which are found inside our alimentary canal, are roundworms. Many fungi and casuta, these are also example of endoparasites. Holozoic type of nutrition, third one. In this, solid, liquid or gaseous food particles are taken by organism. They break down these complex food particles into simple one, and further there is internalization, or this goes for further digestive processes. Clear? As we have discussed, in these animals' mouth, eating habits, ingestion, digestion, egestion process takes place. Clear? Example: herbivore animals like horse, deer, goat; carnivores, lion, tiger; omnivores, man, pig, deer; carrion feeder, these animals feed on dead animals and are called scavengers. Example: kite, vulture, cow, hyenas. Last one, that is mesotrophic nutrition. In this, organisms have ability to obtain their food as autotrophic as well as heterotrophic mode. The best example is Euglena, which are kept in animal kingdom. It is a member of phylum Protozoa, but in this there is presence of chlorophyll, means it can obtain nutrition from other animals, and it has ability to prepare their own food. In our next lecture, we will discuss about digestion in human being. Okay, thank you.